Chadha and you're watching Presidency Times. I have got all the latest news to keep you in loop with what's going on around school. On 30th June, we welcomed our students with a vibrant assembly themed from vacation to vision. This assembly was guided by our teachers, enriched with inspiring thoughts, news updates, sports highlights, and poems. As part of its commitment to continuous professional development, our school organized a series of enriching workshops for our teachers during holiday breaks, focusing on both pedagogical development and personal growth. Workshop on exam question paper formatting and its importance was organized on 23rd June, led by our expert educator. This session aimed to enhance teachers' understanding of structured question paper design. Workshop on classroom management and enhancing classroom effectiveness was also organized, led by our principal and academic director, Mr. A.P. Sharma. With 6 focus sessions, the workshop empowered educators and provided techniques to build structured, inclusive, and motivating classrooms. We also conducted an insightful workshop on harnessing AI tools, smart education, and strong teaching by Gaurav Kapoor. The session focused on integrating AI to enhance teaching techniques and boost students' engagement. Lastly, a Bacchus and Vedic workshop was organized, led by Ms. Aditi Talwar and Ms. Sandhya. The engaging workshop made maths exciting and accessible, encouraging both students and teachers to explore the power of Abacus and Vedic maths. This holiday season, we celebrated a vibrant teachers' indoor-outdoor workshops and fun activities, allowing our teachers to relax and recharge. We also organized health and hygiene workshop led by Dr. Shikha Jain and Dr. Kuldeep Sharma on 4th of July. With great pride, we announced that our students participated in 18th Mini Football National Championship 2025 Indoor and Rajasthan State Futsal Championship 2025 and bring home silver medal. Now, let's take a look at the exciting upcoming events. First up, we are thrilled to share a historic moment in our school's journey. For the very first time, our school will be hosting an Inter-School Model United Nation MUN, a prestigious platform where young minds will step into the shoes of global leaders and diplomats. Soon, we are going to celebrate Parents' Day Fest. Stay tuned for updates. We are delighted to announce that the School Council Investiture Ceremony 2025 will be held on 12th of July. Soon we are going to inaugurate our school's Common Sense Lab, a place to sharpen minds and ground actions. Gear up! The Cricket Academy of Pathans is all set to turn passion into performances. That wraps up the bulletin. Stay curious, stay inspired, and watch Presidency Times. Have a wonderful day ahead.